Imagine hitting the open road, but instead of cramped RV beds, cheap upholstery, and barely functional kitchens, you're living in a rolling 5-star palace that costs more than a Beverly Hills mansion. These aren't just motorhomes, they're engineering marvels designed for billionaires, celebrities, and royalty. With features like gold-plated bathrooms, rooftop helipads, hidden garages, and furniture worth more than an entire house, these next-level motorhomes redefine what it means to travel in style. In today's video, we're diving deep into the top 5 most luxurious, outrageous, and next-level motorhomes in the world. Vehicles so expensive and extravagant, most of us will never even see them in real life. From a Ferrari-inspired beast to a Bugatti-themed masterpiece and even a Ford-based mobile mansion, buckle up, because by the end, your idea of camping will never be the same again. Number 1. The Vulnera Performance S. The Bugatti-inspired land yacht, price tag, $3 million. Target buyers, ultra-rich tech moguls and elite celebrities. When you first look at the Vulnera Performance S, it's not just a motorhome, it's a moving palace on wheels. German engineering meets Italian luxury, inspired by the same design philosophy behind Bugatti hypercars, and yes, it's worth every penny. Inside, the Performance S offers customizable interiors where no two models are alike. Think hand-stitched Italian leather seating, exotic wood veneers, Swarovski crystal lighting, and even fully integrated smart home controls. Want to adjust your lighting, entertainment, and temperature just by saying, "Hey Vulnera," done. But here's where it gets truly insane. Hidden beneath the motorhome is an integrated hydraulic garage. Yes, you heard that right. At the push of a button, a sleek panel opens, and your Bugatti Chiron, Ferrari SF90, or even a Porsche 911 Turbo glides out like some thing straight out of a Bond movie. Imagine pulling up at a luxury campsite, stepping out of your 3ML RV, and then driving your Bugatti to dinner. That's not camping. That's flexing on an entirely different level. Number 2. Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo Superior, the Ferrari of motorhomes, price tag, $3.2 million, style, futuristic, bold and absurdly elite. If there's one motorhome that turns every single head on the highway, it's the Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo Superior. A 45-foot, spaceship-like masterpiece that looks like it belongs in a Ferrari design museum rather than an RV park. The Palazzo Superior boasts a top speed of 93 mph, making it one of the fastest luxury motorhomes on the planet. Its aerodynamic design reduces drag, giving it a futuristic silhouette that screams wealth and power. Step inside, and you're greeted by 42-inch plasma screens, heated marble flooring, and a sky lounge that literally elevates from the roof. Yes, a rooftop terrace, complete with a minibar, mood lighting, and panoramic views, pops up with the touch of a button. The driver's cockpit. Think Ferrari steering meets private jet technology. Every function is controlled via a touchscreen panel, and the seats are designed using high-performance racing materials. Number 3. Newell Coach P50. Ford power meets penthouse luxury. Price tag, $2.5 million. Powertrain, a custom Ford chassis pushing extreme torque and speed. While some motorhomes focus purely on luxury, the Newell Coach P50 blends power, practicality, and performance into one outrageous package. Designed around a Ford-based custom powertrain, this beast brings massive horsepower to move its 45,000 pounds of pure elegance across the country without breaking a sweat. The interior, imagine stepping into a New York penthouse suite, then realizing it's on wheels. We're talking handcrafted walnut cabinetry, imported Italian marble countertops, a state-of-the-art chef's kitchen, and king-sized bedrooms that make 5-star hotels feel like budget motels. Tech lovers will drool over the digital cockpit that controls everything: navigation, energy management, entertainment systems, and even 360-degree camera monitoring. You can park this 45-foot monster using nothing but a joystick. And here's the twist. The P50 includes expandable slide-outs that nearly double the living space at the push of a button. Picture yourself lounging in a 1,000 square foot mobile condo with mood lighting, surround sound, and a full spa shower, while your Ford-powered engine waits patiently to crush the highway again. Number 4. Featherlight Vantare Platinum Plus. Billionaire only access. Price tag $2.6 million. Audience, the 1% of the 1%. The Featherlight Vantare Platinum Plus is one of those motorhomes you'll probably never see in person unless you're invited by someone who owns a private island. Built for ultra-high net worth individuals, this vehicle is less of an RV and more of a rolling palace. Inside, expect nothing but hand-picked rare materials. Italian marble, Inca gold inlays, onyx counters, Swedish crystal chandeliers, and even sapphire accents embedded into the walls. The driver's cabin is wrapped in gold-plated trim, and the steering wheel is lined with South African ostrich leather. The master bedroom rivals a Dubai penthouse, complete with a king-size memory foam bed, designer furniture, and a personal media center. But wait, the bathroom takes it even further, featuring heated granite floors, a rainforest spa shower, and gold-plated fixtures that scream money in every drop of water. Want to arrive in style? The Featherlight comes with a custom-built retractable garage for your Ferrari 296 GTB or Lamborghini Huracan. And yes, the entire garage floor is lined with hand-laid Italian mosaics, because billionaires don't do basic. Number 5. Prevost H3-45 VIP, the celebrity favorite, price tag $2.3 million. Buyer list: Hollywood actors, touring rock stars, and royal families. When Beyoncé, Drake, and even members of the Saudi royal family travel across the country, there's a good chance they're inside a Prevost H3-45 VIP. Dubbed the private jet on wheels, this motorhome is all about comfort, performance, and absolute exclusivity. Built on a Prevost touring chassis, the same one used for high-end celebrity tour buses, the H3-45 VIP takes things to another level with personalized layouts. No two interiors are alike. Some come with private cinemas, others with full-size spas, and many even have soundproofed music studios for artists who want to work on their albums while cruising between cities. The cockpit is loaded with cutting-edge driving tech, including adaptive air suspension, lane assist, and a digital HUD, making this massive beast surprisingly smooth to handle. Step inside and you're greeted by floor-to-ceiling glass panels, Italian leather sofas, built-in cocktail bars, and hidden compartments for jewelry, cash, or even firearms. Oh, and let's not forget, some Prevost owners have added rooftop helipads. Imagine pulling over at a vineyard in Napa, climbing to the roof, and flying off in your private helicopter, all while your 2.3 M motorhome waits patiently for your return. Number 6. The future of luxury motorhomes. Here's the crazy part. These next-level motorhomes are just the beginning. Brands like Ferrari, Bugatti, and even Tesla are rumored to be working on electric super-luxury RVs that could cost upwards of $5 million. We're talking about self-driving motor mansions powered by solar energy, complete with AI assistance, smart glass walls, and integrated drone launch pads. With advancements in autonomous driving, imagine sipping champagne in your living room while your AI chauffeur drives you through the Swiss Alps, all without touching a steering wheel. These 5 motorhomes prove one thing: luxury has no limits. While most of us are out here comparing gas mileage and campsite fees, the ultra-rich are choosing between gold-plated spas and Bugatti garages on wheels. Whether it's the Vulnera Performance S with its James Bond-inspired car elevator, the Marchi mobile Palazzo with its rooftop lounge, the Newell P50 blending Ford power with penthouse living, the Featherlight Platinum Plus dripping in gold and crystals, or the Prevost H3-45 VIP favored by Hollywood royalty, these vehicles are rolling symbols of wealth, freedom, and ultimate status. For the rest of us, it's okay to dream. Who knows? Maybe one day, technology will bring this level of comfort and style down to a price we can actually afford. But for now, these next-level motorhomes will remain the stuff of fantasy, reserved for billionaires, rock stars, and royalty.